So the question is, what does public service mean to you? Again, what does public service mean to you?
Thank you, sir. I have been a public servant for 7 years now. Before I became a firefighter, I previously worked at DepEd as a teacher. Working in the government, there lies in our blood the true meaning of being a public servant and doing public service. It is rooted in the idea that it is working for the benefit of the whole rather than personal gain. Public service is indeed doing or dedicating oneself, and for me, it is living to save lives and properties as a firewoman. Thank you.
It is called living service ay para sa tanan.
Yes, sir.
May pangalan sa COVID.
7 years. 7 years na siya.
And now, BB number 2. Okay, so ito na ako sa pangalan.
Yes.
So, kung siya ako ito na yung kalatim, Blue Griffins yung sa'yo ito istorya ng mga pangkakaw. Okay, thank you lang ha. Buski pa, wala sa papunta. Okay, so, pick your question. So, muli ang pangutana. Kung masama, what are some challenges facing the Philippines civil service today, and how can we overcome them? Again, what are some challenges facing the Philippine civil service today, and how can we overcome them?
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. The Office of the Civil Service encourage integrity, excellence, and spirituality among the public servants. This also upholds the public trust that we of the servants that we serve, of the citizens that we serve. Some of the challenges that we are facing right now are first, the minimal trainings for digital skills. Yet we are evolving into a fast-paced electronics and mobile governance. And second, few true leaders in public service. I am grateful to see you all here, meaning we are humbly rendering public service. Bravo, San Francisco. Thank you.
Thank you so much, BB number 2. And now we have BB number 3. So, nag-iwas ng kati kanina. Umasa siya sa red. Uy, sa mga Magka si Magka. May ikuwi-iliwat na nila. Ito palagpakan si Magka. Okay, so now Irene, how are you?
I'm delighted. I'm not nervous, but I think
And I know you can do it.
Saba po na na, uy.
Marimar? Okay. Palihog pili sa mga pangapana. So, BB number 3. Here's your question, and you read the question twice only. So please listen carefully. How do you see your role as a government employee contributing to the greater good? Again, how do you see your role as a government employee contributing to the greater good?
Good evening. As a government employee working in the accounting department, I see my role as pivotal in shaping the lives of every people in our community. As a certified public accountant, I ensure that there is financial integrity, promote transparency, and strengthen public trust in our government. Together, we pave the way for a more accountable and prosperous society where everybody makes actions to build a better future for everybody. Thank you.
Grabing support.
Okay lang.
Gusto na daw siya mag-inom. O tubig. Huwag kayo. Gikan mo siya na anak. Wala pa kainom ng tubig. Okay. Marimar, palihog sunod. Okay. Palihog please.
Marimar naman eh.
Okay, here's your question. Balikin ko ng pagpagutan na ikanibang abos ng panginaw o tarong. Here's your question. What are your thoughts on the role of technology in improving public service delivery? Again, what are your thoughts on the role of technology in improving public service delivery?
Thank you, Kevin. So my thoughts are effective and efficient because technology strengthens the public service delivery by allowing people to have the convenient access to it and made it even more effective and efficient to traverse the goods and even the people from one place to another. Hence, it is cost efficient and allow people to save time and energy. Thank you.
Madaog sa
Okay, so partner.
Marimar?
Alright, before anything else, kumusta mo sa natin si Sir? Kumusta mo, Sir? Ang sada?
Mabuti naman.
Ay, magtagalog pala tayo. Mabuti naman. Alright, ready na, Sir? Alright, here's your question from Del Serene. What are some of the challenges you face as a public servant and how do you overcome them? Again, what are some of the challenges you face as a public servant and how do you overcome them?
Thank you for the question. I was diagnosed with psoriasis, an autoimmune disease, a skin disorder. As a public servant, yung nakikita yung itsura mo ng bata, public servant ka, pero nakikita yung bata. To overcome this challenge, I just embrace it, build self-confidence, educating others for its non-contagious nature. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Noong number one. And yes, dili yun galing na bully work. Especially,
Apa pa rin ko si
Kasi pala kung partner. Dili yun galing mabuli, di ba? Especially part ka ng public service.
daling mapuli partner.
Sorry, partner.
Kabalo na ka.
Alright, let's move on to number two. Sir Matt? Here's your question. From Blue Rivers. How can we promote a more ethical and transparent government? Again, how can we promote a more ethical and transparent government?
Okay, ma'am, for the question. As public servant, promoting ethical and transparent governance involves several key aspects. First is implementing strict
your question. How can we ensure that public service is sustainable and responsive to future challenges? Again, how can we ensure that public service is sustainable and responsive to future challenges?
Good evening, everyone. As a public service employee, we need to foster more or strong connections with the public to understand their needs and priorities, ensuring that all services are designed for what they do, and also
So, may nalalim.
Kamusta, sir? Nakulbaan? Alright, karamawakan ang kulbaan ng sa lesson. Alright, here's your question. How can government employees better serve the Filipino people? Again, how can government employees better serve the Filipino people?
Good evening, everyone. Government plays a vital role. In the community. And with that, I think making government with efficient
Pira, dilira nga to, akan dinit ang cancel.
Tulo sila, tulo. Tulo sila.
Sa bahay na lang ni magdaog.
Sa bahay ra gyud.
with
Murag
efficient
ang lalaki kay katong pinakauna tong yellow.
Thank you.
Katong